Well, if you have your COVID-19 vaccine and even your booster shot, but still manage to catch the virus, you're not alone. Newswatch 16's Carmela Maddaloni spoke to a doctor who explains why both vaccinated and unvaccinated people are testing positive.
It's likely you or someone you know has or recently had COVID-19. Health officials say the highly contagious Omicron variant and the holiday season fueled a surge that continues to impact both vaccinated and unvaccinated people. Tyler Cholvik from Dunmore just got over the virus and is triple vaccinated.
No, I was expecting it. I was around some people that had tested positive. I figured it was likely. And then I woke up on Wednesday morning. I felt terrible.
So why are so many vaccinated people testing positive? Dr. Jeffrey Jerry explains.
What was the main purpose of the COVID vaccine in the same way that we look at an influenza vaccine? And that is to keep one away from the most serious consequences of getting the disease. And what we're speaking about there is hospitalization and obviously very severe hospitalization in an intensive care unit and also tragically death. In that situation, the COVID vaccines have been very effective in doing their job.
Dr. Jerry says more than 80% of inpatients and more than 90% of intensive care unit patients within the hospital's network are unvaccinated. Cholvik had body aches and a sore throat and believes the vaccine protected him from the worst.
I think it's a good thing that I have the vaccinations because God only knows where I would have ended up without them. There's a chance I could have been in a hospital bed as opposed to in my own bed at home, just recovering.
Dr. Jerry says while Omicron is very transmissible, it's not attacking the lungs as badly as the Delta variant or the original strain of COVID-19. However, it's not something to gloss over.
Don't disregard this. Don't put it aside and think that it is really nothing, that it can be, and particularly in people who are very vulnerable. So there's something you can do about it. And that's something that you can do about it is obviously getting vaccinated and to strongly consider getting a booster shot.
Health experts say regardless of vaccine status, wear a mask when indoors and avoid crowds, especially as the cold weather months take hold. Carmela Maddaloni, Newswatch 16.